11. Health benefits of wild rice. Wild rice is packed with micronutrients and vitamins. It is a balanced food source providing protein and fiber. Here are some health benefits of wild rice. Number 1. Health of the heart. The strong propensities of wild rice are antioxidant and lipid reduction. It's a rich dietary fiber source too. Adequate dietary fibers are important to maintain low cholesterol. Number 2. Diabetes. Wild rice is a good source of alpha-lipoic acid. ALA is good for people with diabetes type 2. It may enhance the capacity of the body to produce insulin and reduce diabetic nerve damage symptoms. Number 3. Loss of weight. Wild rice, like most grains, is very effective in reducing hunger. There is also relatively low calorie in wild rice. This can make it a good choice for weight losers. Number 4. High antioxidant content. As much as 30 times as much antioxidants as white rice can be found on wild rice. Antioxidants are powerful substances that protect the body from disease and help you to age well, prevent cell damage caused by oxidants. Number 5. Grain-free. Wild rice, indeed, is not polished or refined as a seed from marsh grass, so the seed is eaten as nutritious as possible. It is excellent for grain-less diets and also offers an option for diabetics and other special diets. Number 6. Reduces ignition. Alkaline forming is wild rice. The balance created by consuming alkaline foods helps your body treat all kinds of inflammation and prevent them. Number 7. Reinforces bones. The risk of stress fractures is reduced by wild rice and bone mass is increased. It is high in phosphorus as a nutrient. Number 8. Energy boosts. Wild rice can help you avoid fatigue by adding nutrients to your body that you need efficiently. Magnesium is the wild rice nutrient that increases your energy. Number 9. Digestion facilitates. The fiber of wild rice is impressive, helping to prevent constipation, bloating, diarrhea, tightness and excess flatulence. Number 10. Everts aging. One of the most significant advantages of wild rice is its impressive antioxidant level. One of the most significant advantages of wild rice is its impressive antioxidant level. Free radicals, the dangerous byproducts of cellular metabolism that can cause healthy cells to mutate or become cancerous, are neutralized by antioxidants. Number 11. Encourages growth and repair. The high protein content in wild rice can also help to increase muscle mass, growth and balanced body development. Amino acids make up proteins, so adequate levels of proteins for health are essential, and wild rice is an excellent option. Wild rice is a food we should all include in our regular diet. The advantages of eating wild rice are plentiful.